In a faraway land, a baby dragon named Puffy had a big problem. He sneezed fire. Achoo! Poof! A tree caught fire. Achoo! Poof! The lake boiled. The villagers panicked. What do we do? One day, Puffy sneezed so hard that he roasted a whole pile of marshmallows. The villagers gasped. Wait a second, you're not a problem, you're our new campfire chef. From that day, Puffy became the best marshmallow roaster in town.